Hi guys, good afternoon, good evening guys. It's currently 5:42 p.m. I just got home from work. Now I am here trying to get the laundry done and chill. And I don't think I'm gonna record anything after this. This is actually a new vlog that I'm starting right now. I got home, I saw some laundry that needs to be done. I'm about to do that and eat my food and sit down and watch a movie on Netflix. Today's Wednesday. And yes, I had a long day at work. Just came back. So I'm about to start doing the laundry, eat some food, and all that good stuff. So guys, I decided to be productive this evening. So I decided to do some laundry, y'all, because I know if I don't do this laundry, it's going to stay there till I do it. So I was like, what is the best time other than now? I got my workout clothes need to be washed, soccer clothes need to be washed, hubby's clothes need to be washed. So yeah, I might as well do it now. I got my son here helping me, the little one. He decided to help me do the laundry. As a matter of fact, he loves doing the laundry, so we do it together. So yeah, so this is what I'm gonna do now, and then after putting these clothes to wash, I'm gonna go ahead and take a shower.
Come talk to me. I love the way you're on to me. Looking at you, looking like you're wondering if we're here for the same reason. And I bet you wanna lay in the sun, getting love drunk, sticking like honey. Yeah, I bet you're here for some fun with that someone, feeling that something. If you're looking for a good time, honey, I'm right here. If you're looking for the good life, good vibes, honey, I'm right here. And I'm waiting for you. And I love you in your summer skin. Looking at you, looking like you're into it. 'Cause we're here for the same reason. Yeah, I just wanna lay in the sun, getting love drunk, sticking like honey.
So guys, before taking a shower, I'll go ahead and wash my face. Okay, I always wash my face outside the shower because I do have my facial wash there with me. It's I think it's called Morning Burst or something like that, and it has Zing on there, or something like that. I'm gonna have to put a picture over here, and it has vitamin C on it. So whenever like I wash my face with it, like it makes my face, very nice and soft, and it smells so good. It smells like oranges. Yes, guys, so awesome. So once I am done washing my face, I'm gonna go ahead and take a shower.
Come close to me. Lay your head on my shoulder. We don't have to speak. We can just sit in the silence, listening to the trees, watching the rain through our window. There's no place I'd rather be. We can just linger a while. I wanna do nothing with you. I wanna do
right, guys, so I just had my dinner. I had some cereal because I just kind of craving cereal. So I had some honey nut Cheerios, and my bowl is right here. So yeah, currently I am watching Fabian Award here on YouTube. So let me show you guys. Guys, go ahead and subscribe to her channel. Her name is Fabian Award here on YouTube. You will love her channel. Guys, so I'm just chilling here, watching some YouTube videos. And I'm just gonna call it a day today or a night. It's been a long day for me, so hopefully it's gonna be a nice night today. And tomorrow is my run. I'm gonna do maybe 3 miles tomorrow. And yeah. Hey guys, how you guys doing? It's another day today. Today's Thursday. I just finished doing my 4-mile run this morning, and it was a good run. I got my new shoes, like those shoes y'all seen. Okay, so I ran a little slower the first 2 laps, and then I got better on my last one. So technically I ran 4 miles today, but I will have to get used to them shoes, guys. But other than, I'm just cooling down, walking around here, cooling off. I do have a doctor's appointment today, and yeah, so I don't know how today's gonna be, but I hope it's gonna be a good day.
Come close to me.
So Baraka L, right there in the yellow, our son, he is beginning 6th grade. So we are taking you guys along with us. We are driving him to school because they're starting their summer break, where like they're gonna be learning about the school, meet their teachers, meet their fellow students. So he's really excited, and we are also excited for him. So we dropped him off, guys. I'm heading to my doctor's appointment. We are running late, but it was my fault. Like, y'all see my face is like, when are we gonna get there? But it was my fault, guys. I was about to take the metro, but then I was running slow, and like I was dragging myself, and then hubby decided to drop me off. And so we were here like driving fast, but on sport mode in the car, y'all. But I made it, and I'm so happy I made it on time, y'all. I made it. All right, guys, so I made it. I made it 20 minutes later. Like, well, I was 20 minutes late. That's what I meant to say. But really, there was some construction there, so I could have been there earlier. But since the construction was going on, the doctor was like, we know there was construction going on around here, so technically you're okay. So I was really happy I was there, you know. All right, y'all, so I am back. It's been an hour since I've been back, and I decided to cook. I was gonna relax myself, but then I decided to cook. Yes, so I am going to be making beef stew. So I got my bell peppers there. I did cook the onions. So I got the bell peppers, cutting them up, and then I got my beef already cooked and everything. So all I need to do is fry it, and then I'm gonna make some spaghetti. I got the rice ready. So yeah, I like to make my dinner slash lunch early because I'm tired. I ran today like almost 4 miles. I went for a doctor's appointment, and I gotta relax because I'm gonna be doing a overnight shift today, so I need to sleep, you know. So yes, guys, so watch me cook, and I'm gonna take my kids to the park, all that good stuff. So yeah, it's gonna be a long day for me today, y'all. So, guys, after eating, we decided to go out to the park and take a walk and or ride the bike. Little Aminiel Jr. decided to ride the bike. Chadiel decided to walk. He didn't want to take the bike or the scooter. So we're just out here, having fun and just having this little activity. It's summertime, and the good thing about summertimes is you get to have these little moments with your children, have some fun activities because like they're out of school for like 2.5 months, y'all, and you gotta have to try to keep them busy because kids get bored so quickly. So there's so many different things parents can do with your kids, to keep them busy. And we are going to be taking a walk today to keep them busy because summertime is almost done and wintertime is coming, and we're gonna be shackled in the house, y'all. All right, guys, we're going back. They just saw their dad coming out from the street, just picking up their brother from school. Y'all seen Daddy? Did y'all see Daddy?
I saw Daddy, Nephew was inside the car. Raphael was in the car as well.
Yep, he just picked up from school. Yeah. No, I didn't. I had it. So you didn't want to be at the TikTok?
No.
Oh, okay. But you liked it. You liked it though.
No.
I mean, did you like the school? I mean,
Yes. Yes.
the little bridge and whatever.
Yes.
Awesome.
I was looking at parties.
Whew, we are done. So guys, it is several days later. We are now celebrating Aminiel's birthday. He turned 8 years old, guys, and he is so excited to celebrate his birthday. So we are here setting everything up. Well, I've already set some of the things up. So they're just excited to, eat the pizza, eat the cookies, the cake, the soda, all that good stuff. So we are just here chilling, celebrating Aminiel's happy birthday. And it's been a busy day, and now we are just celebrating his birthday, and he is just excited. He is so excited, guys. As you guys can see, if y'all know what they were saying on these videos, like y'all will be like, but they're kids, so here we are celebrating. So guys, at this point we are going to light the candle, and then we are going to sing him a happy birthday song, y'all. So sing along with us. So here we are.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Aminiel. Happy birthday to you. May God bless you. Amen. May God bless you. Amen. May God bless you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Junior.
Hello.
Yeah.
The candle smells bad. Do not
Blow out the candles, turn off your mind, it's your birthday. Let's leave last year behind. You made it from the sun again. I'll bring a cake and a couple friends. Won't end the night until morning begins. Ooh, ooh, happy, happy birthday to you. Ooh, ooh, happy, happy birthday to you. Blow out the candles, turn off your mind, it's your birthday. Let's leave last year behind. You made it from the sun again. I'll bring a cake and a couple friends. Won't end the night until morning begins. Ooh, ooh, happy, happy birthday to you. Ooh, ooh, happy, happy birthday to you. Happy.
Libarikiwe jina lako, wewe ni mtakatifu sana, Mungu wa Ibrahim, Mungu wa Isaka, Mungu wa Yakobo. Asante Bwana kwa saa hii na wakati huu ambao umekubalika mbele zako Bwana Yesu. Asante Mungu wangu kwa sababu umempa mwanangu mwaka mwingine tena. Utukufu ni wako, sifa ni zako. Endelea kumkuza Bwana, aendelee kukupenda wewe Mungu. Fahamu amani, usimwache Bwana siku zote za maisha yake. Na utazungushia damu yako, moto wako na wigo wako, na mwekea ulinzi. Kila nguvu za giza zikapata kushindwa juu ya mwanangu huyu milele Bwana. Katika jina lako Yesu Kristo nafunga kila wanga na wachawi. Hawana nafasi wala sehemu juu ya Aminiel Junior. Mkono wako na nguvu yako Bwana ikae pamoja naye siku zote. Bwana Yesu, ngata vyakula tunakwenda kula hivi Bwana. Na vibariki vyakula vyote na vinywaji vyote ndani ya nyumba yangu Bwana. Vyote na vibariki na kuviponya ambao viko hapa Bwana kwenye meza, hata yuko Bwana jikoni kote Bwana. Nabariki vyakula hivyo na kuviponya. Vyakula vyote kufanya afya Bwana na uponyaji katika miili yetu, maana vimwagia damu yako. Keki hizi na vitafunio vyote na vinywaji vyote katika jina lako Yesu. Amen.
Happy birthday. You're my reason to celebrate, so happy. You're made Wish that I could say that I have it all together, but it wouldn't be the truth, no. I think I'm done chasing time. I wanna live it up forever, instead of dreaming like a fool, no, no. Look in the mirror and just be honest with myself. Forget all the drama, cause I ain't worried about it now. Before you love someone, you gotta learn to love yourself. Learn to love yourself. Yeah, I know, yeah, I know, yeah, I know. I'm not giving up, I just wanna make me happy. Yeah, I know, yeah, I know, yeah, I know. I can't let it go, I ain't gonna let life pass me by. I know I'm strong enough, and I can have it all. Keep my head up and believe it. Yeah, I know, yeah, I know, yeah, I know. I'm not giving up, the only thing I wanna be.
You full? Happy birthday, birthday boy.
Forget all the drama, cause I ain't worried about it now. Before you love someone, you gotta learn to love yourself. Learn to love yourself. Yeah, I know, yeah, I know, yeah, I know. I'm not giving up, I just wanna make me happy. Yeah, I know, yeah, I know, yeah, I know. I can't let it go, I ain't gonna let life pass me by. I know I'm strong enough, and I
Brisk.
We enjoy the cake. That's our son. He likes chocolate, so the truth is. You eat?
Yep.